Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, David DiMartino. Well, we have a lot to talk about as many people are getting ready for the Memorial Day weekend, and that's a long weekend, let's be honest. Most people leave by Thursday afternoon and are on the way by Friday. So, what can we expect? Well, I'm going to explain all that. Plus, if I may, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. It actually helps quite a bit, and hit that notification bell. And if you're looking for a more technical analysis, more details on what to expect and how to expect and why this rainstorm is developing, definitely check out the latest premium video forecast discussions and premium discussions at nynjpaweather.com. Only $15 a month, which is pretty cheap for a really good education. So let's dive into the observations. High pressure is still in control with a nice northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 40s over your highest elevations, upper 40s to lower 50s in your suburbs, lower to mid 50s in your urban areas and around the I-95 corridor. Generally, a nice but cool morning for this time of year. Plenty of sunshine around the region. As you can see on the radar and surface map from WeatherTap, one storm is exiting, another storm is approaching, and in between, we are going to be pretty quiet, nice, tranquil. No precipitation anywhere near us anytime soon, until tomorrow at least. So, as a result, on our visible satellite picture, plenty of sunshine along the coastal plain. Over the interior, we have some low-level stratus, but that will slowly burn away and give way as we move on through the morning and into the afternoon. But you can see the effect of the gravity wave here coming off of the Appalachian Mountains. It was really fun to take a look at. Taking a step back, taking a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see over us, it's quiet, right? Those low clouds are going to start to give way. It's going to be a pretty nice day. But trouble is brewing off to the west. This is an upper level low. And what's going to happen is that this is going to lift up towards the Great Lakes. But this piece down here is going to redevelop and intensify. And generally, what that means for you and me is rain will start to return to the region tomorrow. Scattered showers at first tomorrow morning, becoming more widespread. And then we're going to get a new area of low pressure developing over the New Jersey coastal waters, lifting up towards New England Wednesday night, tomorrow night, through Thursday. And that's going to lead to waves of rainfall. And unfortunately, that low pressure system will lead to enhancement of an upper level low over New England. And that's what's going to keep us unsettled. But not a washout this weekend, but you have to dodge a few showers here and there. Certainly not the warmest weekend for a Memorial Day weekend, that is for sure, as we will be below normal in terms of temperatures. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Quiet, tranquil. Look for high temperatures ranging from the mid 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid 60s on Long Island. It's a quiet day though. Cool, but quiet. For tonight into tomorrow morning, clouds will increase. Showers will start to develop over parts of the Philadelphia metro, but generally scattered and light. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. By tomorrow afternoon, those showers increase in coverage and intensity as one low pressure system approaches from the Ohio River Valley and a new low pressure system develops to our south down towards the southern tip of the Delmarva Peninsula. So as that starts to take shape, the rainfall will increase in coverage. We'll get more of a steady easterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and temperatures will not move all that much, looking for high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. For tomorrow night into Thursday morning, our new low pressure system matures and develops over the coastal waters, leading to periods of rain, heavy at times, especially along the coast. Look for low temperatures on Thursday morning, ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. So temperatures aren't moving all that much. By Thursday afternoon, our low pressure system continues to mature and intensify while moving through the coastal waters, leading to very heavy rainfall along the coast and periods of rain, moderate to heavy, over the interior. Overall, I'm expecting about 1.5 to even as much as 2.5 inches of rain along the coastal plain, a little bit less over the interior because the rainfall will not be as intense. But anyway, you slice it, Thursday is a damp, raw, wet day with high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. Thursday night into Friday morning, the low pressure system lifts up towards the Gulf of Maine, and you're going to notice overcast cloud cover, but the coverage of the precipitation becomes more scattered. More steady rainfall over portions of New England. Notice our low pressure system is starting to weaken. Again, let's go back here. Pretty intense, let's say about 994 millibars, and then it starts to rapidly weaken. That means that the low pressure systems become what we call vertically stacked. So it reached its peak intensity and then it starts to weaken. That's really important for the weekend. So on Friday morning, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and in your suburbs, upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas. By Friday afternoon, again, variable cloud cover with scattered showers, but not heavy. Okay, these are light scattered showers, a bit of a pest here and there. Many locations will remain dry, a little damp from all the rainfall, but generally not raining. Look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. On Saturday, the upper level low remains to our north, so that's going to keep us unsettled with scattered cloud cover and widely scattered showers. But again, not a washout. Certainly cool though, with low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and high temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. So I think we can all agree this is not a beach weekend. But again, not a complete washout. On Sunday, it gets a little bit better. Scattered cloud cover, isolated showers. So more than likely, you'll have no rainfall with a mix of sun and clouds. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. And then on Memorial Day, the low pressure system is now a little bit further to the north and east. Scattered cloud cover is expected. You could see an isolated shower here in the Poconos and Catskills, but I think this is going to be really, really, really isolated. So I think for the most part, you'll have dry conditions on Memorial Day with low temperatures, again, remaining cool, lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. A little bit warmer in the afternoon, though, lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 60s along the coast. And on Tuesday, when we have to head back to work, I know you don't want to think about it, but it is part of the forecast. Look for a scattered cloud cover with low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.